This tutorial shows you how to conduct a Kendall's tau C rank correlation in SPSS. Kendall's tau C correlates two variables on at least the ordinal scale. It is important to note that Kendall's tau A and B also exist. Kendall's tau A is to be ignored because it does not control for ties and is also not implemented in SPSS. This video shows the calculation of Kendall's tau C, which is only suitable with a small number of ties and if the variables correlated have different values or levels, let's say a 4-point and a 5-point Likert scale respectively. In case your variables have equal levels, aka both are on the same scales, you might want to consider doing Kendall's tau B, which is linked in the video description. For Kendall's tau C, go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. Put the variables you want to correlate into the rows and columns boxes. I will use GPA score and motivation for this example. Under the Statistics button, you can select the Kendall's tau C option, if you like also the B option. Under the Exact button, you can request an exact significance. Please note that too small of a sample, for instance 10 subjects, might result in no calculation of an exact significance. If you don't want a crosstab in your output, check the box Suppress Tables. Proceed with OK to get to your results. The table Symmetric Measures displays the requested correlation of Kendall's tau C. In my example, I can observe a Kendall's tau C value of 0.809 and an approximate significance value of p smaller than 0.001. This is also reasonable since GPA and motivation should show some sort of positive association, despite this being a fictitious dataset. Always keep in mind that correlation does not imply causation. Furthermore, a small p-value does not tell you about the magnitude of the correlation, aka effect. The magnitude of the correlation is the correlation coefficient itself. Compare it with the existing studies or use research field specific thresholds to classify your correlation. If neither exists, you can fall back to Cohen 92, a power primer, and use the thresholds on page 157, 0.1, 0.3 and 0.5 for small, medium and large effects. My correlation of 0.809 is above the threshold of 0.5, making it a large effect, according to Cohen. Some final remarks. Since I have a decent number of ties in my crosstab, it can be argued to go with Kendall's tau B. However, GPA is on a 4-point Likert scale. Motivation is on a 10-point Likert scale, which is also not ideal for Kendall's tau B. Nevertheless, Kendall's tau B is given with 0.776 here. If in doubt, report both and point out the number of ties and different number of levels of the correlated variables.